Hey everybody, Thomas from inFlow again. So this week's vlog is going to talk about the whole barcoding process. So actually generating a barcode with inFlow and then adding it to a product and then designing the label for it with DYMO software and then printing it with a DYMO label printer. Ready? Let's do it. Okay, so here's what you're going to need. A product that needs barcoding, a printer from DYMO like this Label Writer 450, and then a computer that's running inFlow. Now, first things first, create a product in inFlow. Then from the menu, go to Options, Settings, and then make sure that the barcode fields says Have inFlow automatically fill in the barcode fields. And make sure the checkbox below is ticked off. This process might take a little while if you have a lot of products, but at the end of it, you can go to the Extra Info tab and see your barcode there. After that, it's time to load up the DYMO label software, which you can find for free from their website. Just make sure you have the very latest version. In our case, we're just using some shelving labels. And let's choose this simple barcode here. Once you have a template selected, double-click on the barcode area and make sure you're using code 3 of 9. And in the Advanced tab, make sure the reference name is set to barcode. That's how inFlow will know to map the barcode field in inFlow to the label that you're going to print out. When you're done, save that file from the File menu to your desktop. Next, head to the inFlow Cloud web app in your browser, and then go to Options, Integrations. You can quickly walk through the DYMO label integration here until you get to Manage Label Templates. Then add the new template, which you've just saved to your desktop. When you're done, click on the button that says Save and Close. Finally, head back to inFlow Cloud for Windows, and head back to the product that you made. Then select Label from the top and then Make Labels. From there, you can print a copy just like this. And that's it. Place the label right on the product and you're done. That's the whole barcoding process from beginning to end with inFlow and our DYMO integration. That's it for this week. See you next time.